Don't throw it. Are you done yet? Nope. Are you done yet? That was it.
Ezra said he was getting in first. All right.
Catching fishes.
You ready?
Yeah.
Thumbs up.
Bye, Mommy.
Bye, baby.
Bye, Ezra.
Where's your daddy?
Dad, catch with the Mommy.
No, it's the pole stick. What's the? Oh, got my first bite.
Oh,
And I lost it.
Lost
it.
it's your turn. Hey.
You better get.
We got him.
That's a good eating size too.
Is that a crappie?
No, that's a bass. Put him in the net.
Lost the net.
And got him. Good job.
Dad, can I hold him?
Take him up on land.
Wow.
Take him up on land.
Can you get him out?
In just a minute.
I got it.
Got it? All right. Say cheese.
I call it fish
Cheese.
All right, tell him bye-bye. Throw him in the water.
Bye.
Go. I should throw him like that. Not that fast. You got to go slow.
fish. I caught on the quail the other day.
He'll be home for a minute.
That's a big old brim on the quail.
He'll be home for a minute.
Don't throw it. Are you done yet? Nope. Are you done yet?
Usually this little
You got stuck on me now. Are you happy?
You keep your nose clean that way. Put that water in your mouth, boy. It's soft right there. I don't like it soft.
I like soft.
I'm sure it'll go down, won't come back up.
Bye, Ezra. We'll come back and get you in a minute. No, stay away.
Ezra, stay away. Ezra,
We'll come back and get you.
Ezra, don't
Ezra, stop on. Well, didn't get this one on camera. He's a pretty one. I won't calm down either. He was a beautiful orange on that one. Still recording. Goodbye.